Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get creative and make a cute dress for this adorable duck. We are going to make the duck feel a little better. So let's jump right in. First, let's measure our duck. Sure the dress fits perfectly. Measure around the body, the length of the skirt, and the length of the strap. The waist is 23 cm, the duck bodice is 5 cm, so the skirt length is 3.5 cm. The strap 6 cm. Write down this measurement so you can refer to them later. I'm gonna make 2 tires, gaiter skirt and the strap. Complete with the adorable bow too. These are my fabric choices. I need to pick the prettiest fabric that match with the duck. This is what you need. Next, we'll cut the fabric. Don't forget to add a little extra for seam allowance as I stated before. Hem two sides and the bottom part. sharp, and the two sides of the center stripe. These two rules for gathering trendy. Foot of glove and sew. And the waistband. Pretty side make pretty side, and make sure it reaches from before and sharp. For finishing up the waistband, I do stitch in the ditch. I need to remove the gathering stitch. the 2 strips for the strap of the skirt. They are so tiny, so take your time and do it slowly. Fit the straps to the skirt by hand. I prefer hand sewing them as they are so small. Make sure the strap is 6 cm. Our dress is ready. Now is the time to make the matching bow. This is what you need. Fold the fabric pretty side with pretty side and sew it. Sew also one side close. Turn it over. Make a long channel. Now is the headband. Make a tiny strap to cover the center of the bow. Assemble it to be a bow and hand sew the center. Make sure it is tight. Just let the end unfinished because I want to attach the elastics there. Make a channel from 5 times 10 cm piece of fabric. Insert the elastic inside. Attach it to the headband and finish the joint with zigzag stitch for clean finish. Here is the final look. Isn't it adorable? Your dog will be the best dress around. Hopefully these clothes will cheer her up and make her smile. A grumpy little duck with a brand new outfit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIY projects. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Happy crafting!